Components introduction. Cement removal device installation. First, put the jack on the bottom baffle, install joint rods. Install joint rods on bottom baffle, then fire it with wrench. Do not tighten joint rods in order to facilitate the following installation. Install slurry cup bottom baffle to the joint rods. Continue install joint rods above. Tighten joint rods with wrench. Cover the jack with jack lid. Install the slurry cup upper baffle, then lock the baffle with a screw nut. The cutout area is right above the groove. Instruction. Push the slurry cup with set cement along the groove of baffle. Put the mixing shaft upright through the cutout area and put it on the lid until the position of mixing shaft is fixed. Push out cement and paddle by pressing the jack rod with your hand. After the cement and paddle are ejected, hit the cement block with a small hammer. Do not hit the paddle. Loosen the oil drain valve after cleaning. Press the hydraulic rod back into the jack with the jack rod. Take out the slurry cup and clean it.